Welcome to your daily prediction, and we are going to talk about how energy of 25th of August is going to be for you. Actually, the energy of 25th of August is very strong energy, very powerful energy, and I could see that in the cards when I made my Hindi video. All the three major arcanas. If you've not watched the video of 24th of August, please do watch that, because if there is some kind of difficulty situation that you are undergoing in your life, this will help you kind of deal with that situation in a more powerful way. So do go to the daily guidance playlist and watch that video. And today's energy, 25th of August energy, the energy of 25th of August, the first card that I have is High Priest. This is the card of Hierophant. This is the card of divine connection. The deck that I'm using here is Drought Craft Tarot deck. That's the deck that I'm using here, and this card says that there is a very strong energy that is there. There is the divine communication that is there. This is the card that actually shows authority also. This shows experience, this shows power, because he has a elephant kind of what do you call it, elephant's teeth basically. He's wearing it around his neck. There is a shield on his heart, and if you see, there are horns, bull horns on his throne. So basically this shows the power, this shows the strength. He's into a mudra, which shows his connection to the divine, and one fist is actually tightly closed, which shows that he's keeping some secret. He's having some secrets to him. There is a messenger here who gives him all the knowledge about what is happening around the world, or who gives him all the messages about what is happening around the world. And he's powerful, he's strong, and there are two faces that are here, where his one arm is and where the other armrest is. His sword is lying on the side, the cup is lying on the side, which means that today's energy, 25th of August, it is important for you to be in your power. It is important for you to be in authority. It is important for you to stay strong. Leave your thoughts or your mindset or your negativity or your emotions on the side, and be completely connected to the divine, because there are some positive divine messages that are going to come your way, and this is the day which is very powerful to bring some strong changes in your life. This could also mean authority. This could also mean some communication from authority. This could also mean like the clouds are getting off and the new sun is shining. So because this shows authority, this shows the Hierophant shows, or High Priest shows authority. So there is some divine messages or some messages from authorities that are coming your way, but at the same time you also have to realize your power and be in your power. The second card I got is the Moon card, again a major arcana card, and if you see, there is a wolf, there is a dog, they are howling, there is a moon here, there is a portal here, like the road with rocks on the both sides. There's water, or basically a sea here, and if you see, there is a crab which is coming out of the sea, but it is hidden behind a rock. So this card basically says that there could be, at times what happens is that when we are thinking, there are thoughts that are kind of flowing into our minds. There are a lot of negative thoughts. The crab actually can bite, right, really hard. So there are a lot of thoughts or a lot of negativity that is actually hiding in between our thoughts, and if we continue thinking those, we actually impact our own life. We impact our own life in the negative way. We impact our own life in a different way. So that is very important for you to identify which are the thoughts which are hiding in your emotions that are actually kind of biting you. Okay, so identify your negative thoughts today, and there is also a possibility where some alarm will be raised about something. So how dogs howl when something is about to happen, when a big change is about to happen, when a big shift is about to happen. That's when the dogs and the wolves howl. They just don't howl like that. And this is a change, because the tides are becoming different of the sea. The moon is coming out clear, and when the moon comes out, the tides also kind of go like they are more stronger, and these tides are going to get even more stronger. So take care of your emotional health, but at the same time, if there is anything that is bothering you, raise an alarm about it, talk about it, bring it out in the in the world, bring it out to people, and that will be addressed. But you have to address it, and you have to ensure that if there is anything that is kind of hiding behind the rock and actually troubling you inside your mind, inside your thoughts, address that today. It is very important for you to address that today. The third card that I got is Death, and if you see this card now, you don't have to be scared. Okay, death doesn't mean literal death. You don't see a dead body here, but death means basically a transformation. It is basically a transformation. It is basically a change. It is basically realizing what is it that you're holding on to. This is like, if you take it like this is like a your bad deeds and your good deeds and the pots that are keeping them, right? And there is a death. This is depicted, the death energy is depicted like this, and there is a snake here. You can see a snake here, right? This person is standing here, the snake can actually bite him. There is a messenger that has already gone from here, the crow, who's gone from here with a message, right? So it feels like there is an energy of transformation, there is an energy of big changes, there is an energy of big shifts, there is an energy of something ending very strongly that will bring in new beginning. There is an energy of death, and death is an energy which actually brings in new life, because if there is no death, there is no life. And this is a card which is basically showing that whatever is happening in your life, because these are very major events, whatever is happening in your life, today is the day, 25th is the day where you raise an alarm, where you connect with the divine, when you let that transformation happen in your life, bring that change into your life, let go of what has been troubling you, let go what you know is not good for you, let go of what you know is only harming you, let go of something. That's letting go is going to be very important today on 25th, and some clarities are coming with regards to some things, that's for sure. The next card that I have is called the Miracles. Again, a very beautiful card, and the way the cards are, they are just some major changes that are coming across. I'm going to read this card from the book, so that you kind of get the exact message of what miracle cards means. And this card says, be realistic and plan for a miracle. Be open to receive miracles in your life. Perhaps you are a miracle for someone else. This mermaid asks you to prepare for incoming miracles. Miracles can manifest in many ways and can occur when we least expect them. It's important to remain open to receiving miraculous happenings in your life, and also be grateful when they come. Perhaps you are someone's miracle. Have you considered that your very presence could be miracle to someone else has been waiting for or wishing for you? Life can be full of minor or major miracles. We only have to open our hearts to a miraculous possibilities that are inherent within this beautiful universe. If you have been praying or wishing for a miracle, this card is a sign to say your prayers or wishes have been heard, and to watch for the signs. Maybe miracles are manifesting for you right now. If so, you are really ready to open, or are you really ready to open to receiving them? You might think you are. However, it's also possible that you may have some blocks. It's worth really looking at this and working on yourself, so you are mentally open and free to receiving any miracles as they appear on your path. Miracles aren't always grand gestures. Our life is full of small miracles, such as waking up, breathing, walking, living in freedom, having food on our plate, good health, a roof over our head, and so on. In this respect, miracles aren't dissimilar to blessings. So, as the message on the card says, be open to receiving miracles in your life. They can be part of our everyday lives if we let them in. So, this card is again very, very beautiful, and this is messages from mermaids. And this card very clearly says that there is a miracle in place for you. The miracle is going to happen to you, but you will have to believe in it. You will have to believe in your intuition. You will have to trust that they can happen. You will have to let go of any doubts. And when you let go of the doubts, when you trust miracles can happen, you will actually see miracles happening. The next card that I got was a card from Animal Whisper Tarot cards, empowerment cards. So this is Animal Whisper empowerment cards, and this card is hedgehog, and it says, prickles push people away, show your softer side. So this happens, right? At times what happens is that we want to say something, but we use harsh words, or we use difficult words, and when we use difficult or harsh words, our message doesn't go across. So today is an energy where you actually have to say a lot of things, you have to convey a lot of things. Just ensure that if you want to receive those miracles, those changes, be nice, be calm, use wise and good words. Use your wisdom to use good words, but conveying is important. Conveying your message is very, very important, but choice of words is also very important today, right? So just do that. I got some additional messages from another deck, which is called this is the deck. It is where is this is called the Tarot to Go. Okay, so I got some additional messages, and the messages are very beautiful because the first card is Ace of Rods, and this card talks about new passion, new beginnings, growth, opening of your crown, opening of your chakras, opening up of your energies, and the new sun rising. So definitely some new changes, new possibilities, new communications, new energies are coming into your life. With that energies, there is a possibility that some messages are coming from some kind of authority that I can kind of see from there also. That will clear the illusions about death. So there could be some communication from the authorities, but this also means that these new passions, new energies will give you ability to use your authority, will give you ability to use your communications. Thereby it will lead to the calmer waters. So basically the issues that you were struggling with, the things that you were struggling with are going to get over. There is a possibility of travel also for some people. There is an Empress card, so this day 25th of August also gets the possibility of motherhood, but also this says that when you get to the calmer water, there is going to be more growth, there is going to be more balance. There is wish fulfillment with the Nine of Cups there. There is everything coming to light. So Star card is when everything comes to light, when everything is clear, where everything is balanced. So things are coming to light, things are coming to balance, and these small bubbles, see, they have small little signs in them. So everything is going to be a sign on 25th of August, and you are going to have all the strength to actually take down or calm down or kind of bestow your energies on any kind of beast, because she's actually loving a lion, and lion is also all together loving that energy, right? So there is more energy of balance, more energy, more strength to you. That this is a card of justice, and this card says that there will be justice, there will be equality, there will be balance, and again balance is going to be very important. And last card is Nine of Pentacles, which says that after a lot of hard work, a lot of slow movement, a lot of slow growth, finally there is something that is giving you the result, the abundance, the happiness, the good news. So overall the energy again is very beautiful because the cards are talking about new energies, new beginnings, new possibilities, having more power to kind of do things with those possibilities, like moving towards calmer waters, balance, motherhood or growth, wish fulfillment. And at the same time this is also talking about where things are coming to light, things are growing, you're getting stronger, and the beasts will be calm down, and then ultimately there is justice and wish fulfillment or abundance that is coming. So now I'm going to take out one additional message for you guys, as I always do. So let's just see what is the energy of 25th of August, what is the additional message, and what does 25th of August bring for all of us. And three cards again. Okay, so first card is King of Ariel, which is King of Pentacle, and this card says your plans are working out very well, professional and financial success, using resources wisely. So yes, the plans are working out, there is going to be some kind of success, some people are going to get more resources. Just ensure that you're wise, again you're wise in your choices, you're not doing anything negative, whether they are choices about your words or choices about your actions or choices about your thoughts. But yes, your plans are working out well, some good energy, some good changes are happening. Ace of Gabriel, again the Ace of Wands, the same card that we saw here. This is the Ace of Wands card, and this deck that I'm using, this is called Archangel Power Tarot deck. So this is a deck, Archangel Power Tarot cards. Okay, so this says a gift of passion, opportunity and inspiration, a chance to do something amazing, a sense of wonders, and definitely something new is coming your way, a new energy is coming your way, a new beginning is coming your way, a new sun is shining, new power is coming your way. So definitely the energies are very, very, very beautiful. There's another ace there, the Ace of Raphael, that's Ace of Cups, and it says a positive new emotional experience, fulfilling romantic relationships, deep and lasting spiritual insights. So definitely, like I said, that the energies are such that there are two aces again. So see, this aces are divine messenger, divine hand, divine messages, divine energies, and then you have two aces completely here, which is one is passion, new beginnings, one is emotions and new spiritual sights or new relationship or better good emotional experience, and then you have abundance. So very beautiful energy of 25th of August. I hope something good happens in your life, life changes for good, life changes for better. But again, I'm saying that for this change to fully happen to you, for this change for you to fully embrace it, it is going to be very important to address this small little creature here. Address what is hiding in your emotions, address the negativity, raise an alarm, and you will see things changing for you. I hope this helps you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.